Oh my, look at that teriyaki. Teriyaki chicken kebab grilling in the air fryer oven. Look at the tone and the dripping. Oh wow. Hello family, welcome back to Mama Naija kitchen, a kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Welcome once again to our weekly tasty fast food Wednesdays show. On every Wednesday of the week, we showcase a restaurant style recipe that you can hook up at home with a twist, infusing natural herbs and spices into restaurant-style recipes. So guys, what do we have for you today? Something finger-licking, mouth-watering, delicious. So, are you ready? Are you ready for this tasty, glazed, dripping, oh my gosh, teriyaki chicken kebab made in the air fryer oven? Even quicker, faster, and ready on your table in a jiffy. So guys, let's get right into the kitchen. I must welcome all my subscribers. Welcome back, returning viewers and new viewers. Welcome once again. Thank you for your love, your support. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thumbs up for supporting. I appreciate all that you are doing for me, and I hope that you are gaining and benefiting from Mama Naija's kitchen. All right, my friends, without further ado, let's get into the kitchen, get into your comfies, and let's start whipping up the teriyaki chicken kebab. I have here 4 to 5 chicken breasts, of which I have washed with lemon and lime, half lemon, half lime solution. I like to use those half and half, I think it cleans my chicken better and prep it, to receive all the marination. Then I will cut the chicken into bite-sized, equal-sized chunks. Once that is done, transfer that into my bowl and have it ready to add all the aromatics and the seasoning. Yes, so we can have it marinated and threading for our kebab stick. For marination, we need the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon dry mustard powder, 1 teaspoon tropical SAZON seasoning, a dash of salt, about 1/3 of a teaspoon, and of course I love my smoked chili salt, sea salt, so I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of that. Some black pepper to your taste tolerance, that is added onto it to give it some heat. And of course some green gold seasoning, Mama Naija green gold seasoning. I have about 3 tablespoons there to that herbs, aromatic, fresh touch to it. And 1/4 cup of 2% milk. Break down the tissue fibers of the chicken. And I do also have balsamic glaze to give us that Caramelization. I have 1 teaspoon of the glaze added on. Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce added on to give us that smoky, tasty taste to it. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to help bind it all together. So once that ingredient is added on, next you want to do justice to this chicken by fully combining all of that seasoning, aromatics, fresh herbs into that chicken so that everything is fully combined, our surface area is well coated. Then you can cover it up with some plastic wrap, transfer into the refrigerator for deep marination to occur. You can leave it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but in this case, I am going to leave it in for about 2 hours because I really want my chicken to be fully seasoned to the core. Yes, it's gonna come out fine and deeply marinated. While the chicken is marinating and getting basted in all of that goodies, guys, we are going to work on our veggies. Veggies that we are using for this kebab include red, green, and yellow bell peppers, all cut into cube sizes, approximately equal sizes for aesthetics. And we also have the red onions, guys. Those are vegetables we are going to be using. You want to have your skewers ready. The air fryer does come with a skewer set that we are going to be using. But in the absence of the air fryer, you are free to use the wood skewers stick. But be sure to pre-soak it in water to prevent them from burning in the oven, okay? So those are the main vegetables that I will be using. And I do have the kebab equipment, the kebab tool for the air fryer also ready. So again, before I use that, I need to grease it up with some vegetable oil so that the meat is not sticking on to the frames. Alright guys, you are ready to have some fun? Yes! So put on a pair of gloves and let's lace this baby up. To lace our kebab stick, I always like to begin with a vegetable alternating with the chicken pieces. And you want, again, presentation. So you want to lace it in one directional way, so that once it is all cooked and ready, it is presentable and it just looks yummy and inviting. So just watch through how I am doing that one right there. So whenever I have an elongated chicken pieces, I fold that into 2, okay, to give it that smooth look to it. Alternate that with a pepper. Sometimes I mix up this orange and yellow pepper. Well, colorblind. So what I actually have is the orange red pepper. Okay, I am finishing all this kebab up with the baby onions. That looks yummy-licious. Yes. So we're going to continue that process until we have completed all of our chicken pieces. Doesn't that look just beautiful and inviting? Yeah, baby. Yes. I am so hyped and excited. I just can't wait for the end product. So now we have completed lacing all of our chicken on the kebab stick. A little bit tricky is connecting the kebab stick to the rotational device. So let me show you how easy it is to hook that up together. So as you can see, I have laced majority on the kebab device already. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. So this is the kebab, of course, chicken kebab. Right, see that? So now, so I'm gonna put it right there in the hole and rub this through here like that. Just push that in and it's in place. Now let's do the last one here. Again, same technique. Feed that into the hole. There you go. And squeeze this through here. Alright. The way Mama Naija does it. Wow, look at that expertise, the perfection and touch to this chicken kebab. It is so put together. The colors, the texture, the marination, the seasoning, guys, this is just irresistibly good. So now that that is ready, I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. Spray and transfer that into the air fryer oven. I am using the preset for kebab chicken, 370 degrees for 12 minutes. So let this baby cook up. With our final touches, we are going to glaze our chicken kebab with teriyaki sauce. So 3 minutes before the end of your baking time in the air fryer oven, you want to open it up and glaze, slap that chicken with some teriyaki sauce. Yes, smother it on to ensure that every angle, every surface is fully covered with that teriyaki sauce. You might have to close the door and let it rotate to give you a new tone of the chicken, so that to enable you to coat all surface areas of that chicken kebab stick. Continue the process until it is fully completed and then complete. Let it run through for the remaining 3 minutes and voila! Look at that teriyaki. Teriyaki chicken kebab grilling in the air fryer oven. Look at the tone and the dripping. Oh wow, this is just a beauty to behold, a deliciousness to be eating, and it is just finger licking, mouth watering. Yes, 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 yes. If you are watching for the first time, thank you for visiting and stopping by at Mama Naija's kitchen. If you love what you see and you want to see more of this, please hit that subscription button. Subscribe, because you will not regret it. You are in for a pleasurable and delicious adventure. Yes. Remember to like also, and share with your loved ones, your community, so they can also benefit from this. The chicken kebab can be paired up with any other side dishes, or you can definitely eat it and enjoy it just by itself. This chicken kebab just married so well with a spring salad, and the spring salad was just delicious. So take a look at how I hooked it up for my lunch. Alright family, thank you all so much. If you are a guest coming in for the first time, hey, we got a seat with your name on it. Remember to subscribe to hook up with us, because we have so many more adventures coming your way. And I do hope you have certainly enjoyed this chicken kebab, teriyaki chicken kebab, Mama Naija style, in the air fryer oven. Until we come back with another great adventure, I say thank you. Obulu, Okimbefo, bye bye.